What's up, guys? Welcome back to my channel. In today's video I'm going to be showing you how you can get free airtime continuously by using this free new application called SHAREit. So SHAREit is a new application. It was released about last year December or so, and they've been running a few promotions, and I thought I would let you guys know so that you can also jump in and cash in on some of these promos. So most of the rewards on this application are airtime based. So if you're not using a Nigerian phone number, this video may not be for you. So just scroll through the videos on this channel so that you can find what will suit you better. So before I continue, I also want to mention that you can skip to specific sections of this video using the timestamps in the description box. So do make sure to use that to your advantage as well. So this is actually how the app looks like. So that's what you see on your screen right now. So this is how the app looks like. So do make sure that it's not another app you download. It's called SHAREit Lite. So it's the light version of the SHAREit application, which means it's a smaller version that you can download. It's more compact, so it saves you space. So that's how that works. So I'm going to be going into the application now, and I'm going to show you guys how you can actually get the rewards for using this application. So guys, SHAREit is actually an application for sending and receiving files, just like Zenda and other applications. SHAREit is an application that helps you to share files in a very fast way as well. So as you can see here, if I just highlight this section of the application, you can see you can actually send and receive files for free without consuming data. So that's actually one of the first things that the app can do. Secondly, the app can help you clean up your phone. It also acts as a file manager. So as you can see, if you come down to this place, you can see files, and as you can see, it has already even scanned my phone, and it has found up to close to 7 gig worth of junk that it can actually clean up. So that's another thing that the app can do. So next, you can actually click on the me icon. You can see the name that's there. You can also see the invite. You can see the upgrade button if you want to upgrade the application, settings, join and contact us, and so on. So that's actually not really what we're here for. I'm sure that some of you are actually here for the airtime part. I'm going to be jumping into that in a few minutes, just to show you that the app is not only for airtime. You can also use it to receive and send files for free without consuming data. So next up, guys, I'm going to be showing you guys how you can actually start getting the free airtime. So if I just click on this box here, it's going to take me to another page, and on that page you're going to see how you can complete simple tasks and earn diamonds for free. So this is actually the first part of the application. As you can see, showing me a login button, but if I actually wait for a while, you can see that my diamonds have now reflected. So this app helps you earn free diamonds, and those diamonds can be converted into airtime. So as soon as you get those diamonds, you can actually exchange those diamonds for real airtime, and you can do that as continuous as much as you want. So there are some limits, but it actually gives you free airtime depending on how serious you are with the application. So as you can see, this is my diamond balance. I have about 4,500 worth of diamonds, and as you can see, there are different things I can do with my diamonds. Okay, sorry, you can only use the diamonds to earn airtime, but you can also use the diamonds to participate in games, which you can also use to earn even more diamonds. So as you can see here, the next part I want to show you guys is this chest. So the chest is a way you can use to get more diamonds. So I'm going to highlight it now. If you see that this chest, you can use it to get free diamonds. So as soon as you open a chest, you're going to get diamonds and diamonds as well. I have a total of 22 chests here, and I'm going to be opening them one after the other now. So you can stick with me. I may just skip this part, but if you want, you can actually stick with me and see how the diamonds are being gotten. So as you can see, I have 217 diamonds from this one. If I click on open again, I can get even more diamonds, 187. If I click on it again, you can keep doing this until you have more than enough diamonds that you can use to exchange for airtime. So I'm just going to pause the video now, and I'm going to open as many of these diamond boxes as I can. So guys, I just noticed that you can actually only open 10 chests per day. So that's actually the limit for the day. As you can see, if I click on open, it says you've claimed, it will tell me I've claimed enough. So it seems I can open 10 boxes per day of diamonds. So if you want more diamonds, you have to rely on other methods. So I'm going to show you guys how you can actually redeem these diamonds now. But before that, once you open your application, you click on friends code here. You can see I've already submitted the invitation code. That was it says here, but if for you you're not going to have done that, so there's going to be a code in the description box and on your screen right now. So make sure that you use that code so that you can earn up more than 5,000 diamonds. So if you do that, you're going to earn 5,000 diamonds and you can immediately redeem that for airtime. So guys, I'm going to show you now how you can actually redeem these diamonds for airtime. So if I just click on this diamond redeem phone fee, so that's this. If I actually click on this, it's going to take me to another page and I'm going to be able to redeem my diamonds. So guys, as you can see, I'm here in this page right now. As you can see, my diamonds are what's currently 69 naira and I can actually redeem that immediately. So if you actually want to participate in that, you can, all you have to do is just click on confirm. So as soon as you click on confirm and you select one of them, you can see that it's going to put a phone number here. You select the network of your choice and then you click on OK. So it says network error, retry. So I'm going to retry. So as you can see guys, as soon as you've done that, all you have to do is just continue clicking on confirm until it actually works for you. So if you scroll down to the bottom, you can see it says this. If it shows network error, this error shows the current submissions is too busy to apply and your diamonds will return to your account. You can try redemption in 24 hours. That's what I'm going to just do guys. So as soon as you claimed your diamonds, you can actually try redeeming them for airtime. If it doesn't work, you try again until it actually works. So I'm going to return back to the. So guys, before I continue, I want to know if you're actually getting value from this video. If you're actually getting any value, I would really appreciate it if you can assist me with the hit of the like button and subscribing to this channel. It's going to help me post more videos like this. It's also going to help you to recommend this video to other people so we can all get a share of this free airtime. As you can see, my diamonds have actually been reduced, but according to them, if the redemption is not successful, it's going to be returned to my account, so you're not losing anything for doing that. So guys, the next thing now is the Luckyspin. So if I click on Luckyspin now, it's going to take me to another page. So the Luckyspin is a feature that helps you to spin. Anytime that you spin for a particular anytime you actually spin, you can have the option of winning several of these rewards that are going to be displayed on your screen in a few seconds. So anytime you win those, you can actually add to your diamonds and help you to reach the minimum balance to claim airtime faster. So that's actually another option. You can read the rules of the event below. There's a 91% chance that you get diamond and chest. There's the chances of getting no prize at all is 9%, and each user has 3 partitions per day. So every day that you come to this application, you are going to get 3 chances to spin, and if you invite your friends, you have 10 chances as well. So make sure that anytime you check the application consistently so that you get it, because after 12 a.m. midnight they are going to be refreshed. So even if you had 100 spin chances and you did not claim them, by 12 midnight it's going to actually revert and start again from 1. So do make sure you claim that as well. So next up guys is the invite. So you can actually also invite your friends. If you click on invite here that is shown on your screen, you can see that you can submit your code to your friends My code is going to be displayed here as well. As you can see, it's also going to be displayed on the screen right now. So make sure that you submit that code, so you will both get 5,180 diamonds, which is 15 naira airtime immediately. So next up, guys, you can click on invite now. You can copy your code here, and as soon as your friend inputs your code, you're going to receive diamonds. So next up, guys, is the crazy chest. So this crazy chest is actually a feature that helps you get chest. A feature that helps you get chest. So if I click on start to claim now, you can see that it's going to do a countdown, and I'm going to tap as fast as I can. So depending on the amount of taps that I have, I'm going to get chest. So as you can see, I tapped about cumulatively 4 chests, so I got 4 extra chests. So as you can see, it is going to now have a reset time. After 35 minutes, you can come back to this application and spin for chest and click for chest again. You can also read the rules down here. So I'm not going to go into that. So you can read the rules. So the rules are pretty simple, so I'm not going to be going over that. So next up is the happy time. So you can actually create a room for you and your friends, and anybody that opens a chest, the person with the highest number of diamonds is going to take the entire diamonds. So you can do it for 1 versus 1, or you can do it for 3 to 6 players. So it depends on the amount of diamonds that each person's chest displays. The person that has the max number of diamonds is going to collect all other players' diamonds. So it's a good way and a fun way to actually get more diamonds as well. So if you actually scroll down to the bottom, you see that you have the option of either joining, which is here, of creating a platform, which is here, and for joining as well, which is here as well. So do use that to your advantage if you want to get more diamonds. You can create a group or groups, and you can use it to get as much diamonds as you want. So going back, scroll down to the bottom, you can see this offer that they have here. This offer unfortunately has already expired, so there's no need to actually cover that. So do make sure that you use all the other steps I've shown you here to increase your diamonds and get more airtime. So next up is the final one I'm going to be showing you guys, which is the start your ambassador journey. So start AMA journey instead. So if you click on that, you can see you actually be able to be an ambassador. That means you can join the ambassador. There are few perks that you can get for being an ambassador of the SHAREit platform. So, and as soon as you invite 5 friends, you can claim those rewards. So make sure that you are also actively using this application, so that you can get free airtime. So that's actually it for this video, guys. If you got any value from this video, do make sure to hit the like button and subscribe, and turn on the post notifications button so that you will not miss out on every exciting video like this. I post content like this almost every week, so do make sure that you hit the like button so that you will not miss out on videos like this. I'm going to do some subscribe videos, guys. Thanks.